It's time to take a look at the grip case from Dbrand for the Pixel Fold. All right, looking at the case itself, obviously we don't have the packaging. This was sent out from a friend for me to review. Shout out to them. But looking at the case, it absolutely looks amazing. Quick looking around. Some key features that I like about the case itself is you do have some spring-loaded action here where you see that? The hinge automatically goes back up, and you do have built-in magnets on the front portion of the case and on the hinge, so when it's up like that, it aligns just perfectly. You have some adhesive here on the edges of the front portion and no adhesive here on the back portion of the case, but you do have this nice microfiber lining on the back of the case. Dbrand logo right there. But without being said, this is their, I don't know, robotic city kind of skin. You can get multiple skins for these. Let me grab the Pixel Fold. Okay, let's go ahead and put this one on first. Very nice, satisfying snap. Let's go to the front portion here. You're probably gonna have to hold kind of slide it in place. All right, let's close it. So cutouts there at the bottom are nice and precise. No issues with the cutouts. You have your mics, your speaker and charging port, no issue there. The buttons, the volume rocker 100% covered. Nice and tactile, very responsive. You can hear the clickiness. The thumb/power button, fingerprint reader/power button is nice and exposed. No issue unlocking the device. Cutouts on top, nice and precise as well. No issues there. I kind of like the hinge cover because the hinge does have a built-in kickstand. I'm gonna see how well that works, and it does not add too much bulk on this side. There's some hinge some cases that have the hinge protection that's kind of way bulkier. It makes the phone wider than it needs to be, but it feels good in hand. No issues there. I do have a tempered glass screen protector for the lenses here on the back, and it does protrude over the protection here from the back. So if you don't have the lens protector, you do have a small lip there, so you are protected if you lay your phone face on its back on a flat surface, and you have tremendous amount of lip protection here on the front, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch that. Now this one seems to be tempered glass screen protector friendly. I do have the Whitestone Dome screen protector currently installed, and it seems to be working just fine. The cutout there for the earpiece is also there. Boom, nice. But let's go ahead and open it. You have it sitting flush with the inside display. No issues there. Feels good. Doesn't feel like it's gonna come off. Little flimsy here on the side. Nothing too bad. I think if you add an extra sticker, it'll probably be stuck on there pretty well. Now, the one thing I wanted to try was this kickstand, because a lot of kickstands are not working like they're supposed to, and voila, look at that. This one works just, the hinge on the kickstand is nice and solid too. I can feel it. This one works just as it's meant to work, so you can use it like that, or you can place it this way, both orientations, and this kickstand does its job and works in both orientations. I absolutely, not that way because it's backwards, love this kickstand. Look at that. Bam, no issues with the kickstand. You fold it, pull the device back, bam, no issues whatsoever. But now, of course, is it gonna wirelessly charge through the case? And voila, it's wirelessly gonna charge to the case with no issues. Guys, let me know what you guys think about the Dbrand grip case. It's looking phenomenal. Actually, one of the best cases with a kickstand. The other cases with the kickstand, you can only use it in certain orientation. This one you can use it in any orientation, what I absolutely love. I just want to open this case, bam, like this, right? You just want to open it and enjoy a movie that way. Look at that, boom. Perfect case for you. Like I said, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next.